it'll be a year in May that I launched, and it's just been so amazing, and just the impetus for it, really, I think you'll like this. So the name The Tig comes from a wine called, it's actually pronounced Tignanello, but everyone says Tignanello, right?
Yeah.
So I had a sip of this wine one day.
I was married in Tuscany. I'm a friend of this wine.
Yes. But I had a sip of it, and this was maybe like 6-7 years ago, and I went, oh.
It's a game changer.
This is what people are talking about when they talk about the wine or body, like the structure that you find in wine. And I said, it's such an aha moment. It's a Tig moment. That nickname became what translated for me for like, oh, I get it. Oh,
it's wine. It's named after wine. It's named after one of my favorite Super Justins.
Yeah, exactly. So it's that. I mean, it's really, so for fashion, for beauty, whatever it is, there are all these aha moments of getting it, and that's the Tig.
You know, when I was teasing this segment, I'm like, and you know, you may know her from a blog, but this is so much bigger than a blog because it's a conversation, really, is where all of this universe has come, right?
Yeah, I think so. And really creating a community.
Interactive editorial.
That's the best. Yeah, thank you. Now you